Hey guys, today we are back in Minecraft. I'm going to be showing you how to make a TNT cannon and a bird cage, I guess. And with the TNT cannon, you can learn how to make a clock. So we're going to start with the easiest and quickest one. We're going to get leaves, which you need shears to get them off of trees. Glass, a piston, and something to activate the piston. So we're just going to pretend that this villager house right here is ours. Oh yeah, and this is optional, but if you want to kind of look nicer, you can place that. I'm just going to get my random block. To get rid of the water. So what we're going to do, we're going to get leaves. Which I don't think it absolutely has to be leaves. Oh yeah, we need our parrot. Which is that one. And seeds. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's what we need. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a parrot. No, I don't want that one. Here, you fly out. Oh wow, you actually did. Ooh, you don't fly out. No, stay back. No. Oop, oops. Okay, it's landing, I think. Where is it? Land on the leaves. Okay, build a little barrier around it so it can't escape. It can't escape. Let me tame you. Oh wait, what? It's tamed? Oh, I guess it is. So once you get a tamed bird, you're gonna put a glass block of... Dang it, no. Am I gonna have to stand up? Get on this block over here. There we go. And this is how you get a bird off of your shoulder. You simply just fall. And come on, sit down. There we go. Glass block above it. Oops. Then a downward facing. Oh my god, it's taking so long just for the parrot. I was just trying to take that one. Scoot closer and then there we go. Okay, so after you get the glass. Now what I thought when I saw this trick was that it was gonna suffocate the bird. But no. As you can see, the bird is perfectly fine. It's like inside of a snow globe. And I'm pretty sure if you make him stand up, it will suffocate him. So other than that, you can just decorate it and make it pretty. I like adding these. Why are they going there? There we go. I like adding these because it kind of makes it look good. So we're going to go back outside. First, make it daytime. And I don't know if the snow globe, you might be able to like put a cat in there. But what we're going to do is get our random block dispensers. Redstone repeaters, a lever, we already have one, TNT, a bucket of water, and a bucket of water and a hold on. Okay, and then we need, Jesus, I just can't think. We need redstone. Okay, redstone, and is that it? Okay, we need a slab. Where do we find a slab? Right here. And that should be it. Now wherever you want it to hit, like let's make one trying to hit there. We're going to have to build it right here facing that way. So dispenser, and dispenser. And with those, we're going to connect redstone, 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 this. And then here's how to make a redstone clock. So then we're going to place that down on one tick. This is one of the ways to make a redstone clock. This one on one tick. There. There we go. And it should just stay like that. Again, we're going to have to fill these up with TNT. And from here, wood plank, oak. Well, it doesn't have to be plank. It might be 3. Then we're going to crouch. Look at. Oh no. Yeah, you're also going to place a slab right there. Crouch, place water on that one. we're gonna have to fix this. So after that, TNT, connect it to, and we're just gonna get out of the way. No, we'll jump and it will land a little bit behind it. But overall, as you can see, it is in the TNT. Oh, there went our redstone clock. So we could rebuild that, but I don't want to. This video is already too long and it shouldn't have been. But if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to get exactly 11 seconds. So, bye.